So today in the Instant Pot, we are going to do hard-boiled eggs, and this is all you need. You need your little tray. You can actually get an egg holder tray, which we will be ordering soon, but this will work. You need a cup of water. You take your cup of water, whoop, 1 cup of water, place your tray in the middle, place your eggs in said tray. There you go. Now you're going to take your lid. So we set it to seal. Then we're going to go down here, set it to manual. And then we're going to go to 5 minutes. Oops. There you go, 5 minutes. And now we wait. Second it starts beeping and it's done, you're going to release it. While that's releasing, you want a nice bowl of cold water with ice cubes in it. It's almost done. And now that it's done, you're going to open up the Instant Pot. And you're going to use your tongs. And you're going to take all the eggs out. And you're going to put them into your ice cold water. So there you go. This actually stops them from cooking. And let them cool down for a minute. Okay, now your eggs are cooled. Now we can peel them. And there you go. Little rinse, perfectly peeled. And I'll show you. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect egg.